Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, December 28th. The market made new highs here in the NASDAQ, but it wasn't able to hold on to it. Typically that would be a bearish setup. I'm not looking for a dramatic move to the downside. Fundamentally, I'm looking for a sideways move and I'm looking for strength as we go into the end of the week. In the US dollar, well, it's really remaining strong. Not stronger, but strong. We're not seeing any real dramatic changes in these currencies, so that downward pressure from the stronger US dollar is still in play. But if we take a look at interest rates, I like this kind of movement. It's very relative compared to what we see in the stock market, and I am looking for further movement to the downside today in the 10-year notes. In gold, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level there is $2,000 a contract. I look for a sideways move today in that market. We have the possibility of higher prices. I just don't see it happening for gold. Silver also traded above its bullish level. Now the magnitude change between the bearish and bullish levels there is $5,500 a contract, and I do look for movement to the upside, but nothing dramatic here in the silver market. In the crude oil market, well, it did get stronger beyond the expectation of what's going to be happening with supplies over this first half of the year. I think it's still optimistic, and I'm still apprehensive about the market on the long side at these levels. And when it comes to soybeans, the market traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $300. Over here in the corn market, that's $500. And over here in the wheat market, that magnitude change is $700 a contract. I do look for unchanged to higher, but smaller ranges for today's activity. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.